Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. I just want to check if I mic check. Good. Since I'm just using this as my microphone, not my headphones. I don't need headphones. My mind is clear from everything. So today I was actually on a very interesting statistics analysis, and yet again, out of my research, and I found out that okay, it doesn't matter if the first wins or loses and the second wins or loses, it doesn't matter, it's always 50-50. Like if both wins, it's even like for both to win is a bigger probability than, for example, if first win then the last loss is 42, but if first win to get a second win, it's like it's 57% chance. I don't see that on here, to be fair with you. Here, win-win, lose-lose, win-win. Okay, just wins. Loss. I don't know where did this statistics get this number from. Lose, win, lose, win, win, lose, win, lose, win, lose, win. I mean, like, it's still, it says for me it's 50-50. Maybe there are not so many times when it's like that, like win-win. I mean, so it by all means, if if I have first losing, I still trade because 50-50 for another to be winner, and if I win, it's still I'm trading. It's even less chance to get a loser than a winner. That's just crazy stats, you know? So, and here, okay, there's lots of on NQ. That was yes, 15 minutes with a full risk. And here, what I found out that all this, like, if first break wins, then what does the another break, and what does school run, and what if this one, for example, loses? Do those both win or lose? I mean, like, so 3 times in a row, a loss. It's a very big possibility. 35% chance to win all those three. To win all those three, it's only 4%. So it's not a chance to win all those three. So what I found out that I take only 2 trades, whichever comes first. I know that sometimes I might miss out the trade. Sometimes I would have a trade. I don't know. You know, when I made the statistics, I didn't try to think which one comes first. I mean, if it's school run or second break of 15 minutes. Well, if there's like a big push up, then consolidates and drops. So obviously, first minute break, school run, because like it takes 30 minutes, and then another break of that 5 minutes. If that happens like two, it chops out. So that basically means that if you get chopped out at one side of 5 minute candle, then you get chopped out at another 5 minute candle, another side. So that means like the market is overall a choppy market. So basically, we probably will also lose on school run, which is like all day market will do like this. So we don't take 3 trades. We take 2 trades. The first one obviously will be the first break of 5 minutes. The second will be whichever comes first. And from my probabilities, like 40-40, like it doesn't actually really matter that much, whichever the first is a winner or a loser. For example, if first is a winner, the second, which is D, 42% a winner. E, 43% winner. Like both winners of first and whichever one of these, whichever first comes first, is a 43-42% wins. Okay, so I basically doesn't really matter which take. If my first trade is a loser, which is like C, loss, then I have quite a substantially big probability, which is 58% for another trade to be also a loser. Okay? But I don't know that. And that 60% should not turn me off just because I am trading 2-to-1 risk to reward, right? So that basically means that I need that to be a quite, that's gonna be rough, to be fair with you. 33 times 8, right? But I mean, that's gonna be quite rough. It's just, that's so close. I mean, I can easily get chopped out. Easily. Yeah, like right here. Because, damn, I think it's a bit tricky market today. We should break there if I wanna be rich, which actually, Jesus, I hate this thing when it does that. And I'll get stopped probably. Shh. Okay, when the kid is on my lap, I would. Ah! Okay, you know what? Fuck that. Yeah, that's the one. And see how it just chops? So that's probably what I don't want to be in. But since I'm in, well, there's nothing much I can do. Okay, now I have time to do that. Oh, this system is like when you have time, you can do that. But when you don't have time, it's like, I don't understand. I touch that and it goes. It just it disappears. What the hell is going on? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I'm more concentrated on drawing than on trading, which is fine. Which is fine. Like, there's so much chop. I probably get chopped out. Can we continue to the upside? Like, there's no fall through to the downside. This is one thing. But, well, if we follow through, that means we break that today's value, yesterday's value low, and we go for a run to the downside. But, yeah, it's gonna be. Thank you. So minus. I hope there was not really a lot of slippage. Yeah, there was some. Oops. So minus 250. Can we come back and test my another level? I don't know. We'll see. Is it like a chop before? It's also a big possibility that I just got chopped out. Okay. Well, if that happens, Yeah. Ping pong, ping pong, ping 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 pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping 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 ping. I mean, bro. Well, we're gonna definitely, if we take that, we're gonna just slip it up to that. I mean, look at this beautiful wick. There's even more volume on this candle than that before. Yo, bro. I mean, bro. That's a nice rip. I mean, nice wick for a potential upside. And move, but maybe VWAP will hold us back. I would love to enter right now, but my strategy says just sit back, relax, take it easy. it's it's a bit choppy today, actually. The market is a bit choppy, you know, which which is not great. Which is not great. I mean, this whole thing, like this ping and pong and back and well, that was a quick session today. That was a quick session today. Look. So the first one was 0. What was that? Like 0.5 ish? But I got chopped before, right before that. Okay, this one was 0.1, right? Now we wait for school run. It's still more bearish than bullish. And it's also inside range. Like that thing, what happens when the prices are inside? You get just smacked to pieces. Like if if it's just for fun, where is this? So in 12 minutes, I'm done for today. Nice. I would like to see that on 1 minute chart, please. Just to remind myself why I don't trade on 1 minute chart. Like, where's the beginning? This one. Yeah, like full. I mean, today, as a day big. Where is this? My daughter just wants everything. I was talking all the time with the muted microphone. Sorry. Hmm? My youngest is sick. Wow, so now we broke that. Right. We are breaking that. Was on the S also. Like we break those levels and probably will kerfuffle to the downside. Like there was a possibility for all of that, you know. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we just chop out. But like, yeah, ish, and came back, tested. I don't know. Can I take it on demo? I don't know. Now I don't have anything, you know. I wouldn't be surprised if that recovers all the way back just to test that. Like, again, up to this area. I mean, this market this sucks. There's actually not a lot of volume, to be fair. Yeah, the volume sucks too. Okay, I don't know. You know? I don't know. Something is off today, and I could still gamble on the downside. You know, maybe 1, 2, 3. So it's like maybe we'll come back to test this one. Then maybe I could enter for a short. So if I could enter a short with here, here, and here, okay. I'm just giving an assumption that this is the thing that I want to see. Uh, I hope it's on demo. Yeah. Okay, we could squeeze that easy and squeeze that easy. And this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so now my stop loss is still there-ish. Also, 1, 2, 3, 1. X cool run extension. It's quite big one. Okay. And what's the 15-minute range on the first? So yeah, that's exactly where my risk is. Mm-hmm. This is yeah, that's good for my risk. I'm playing first 15-minute range break retest and come back uh to wait what? Wait a minute. Is that almost like done? That's a big retest. I'm not risking any much more, but I'm willing to have a good reward. But you see, like it's just a mess. The way it moves, like 50 points in instant, and I'll get stopped out. another side of 15-minute range. Kur kita kepurė? Kur nauja kepurė? Yeah, it was a bit too big size in that one. What? What? It's. Gerai. Take a look. Yeah, this is about it where I wanna risk on that. And so we can now assume that, wow, the geez, Louise. I mean, look at that. I'm glad I'm on a demo, but I just wanted. I gambled a bit. That's obvious. Okay, it's not. It's not stopping. It will. It. Okay. Just set. It looks more like a pullback, not a continuation to the downside. But like it feels like we grabbed all that stops, all those stops being popped. What are you guys doing? Oh my god, yes, walking in miles, and it's still below view up. I mean, delta is seriously negative, but well, it's becoming more and more positive. So we are accepting it. Like we tried to break out of the range, and we didn't do that. We like on hourly. Okay, 30 minutes. You see how it looks? It looks that it will continue to the upside. That's how it looks. But what actually will happen? I don't know. If you like, So we are below that, inside that. I don't know. What was the initial idea? This is not sustainable. I mean, bro, this is not sustainable. This kind of movements, let's see how it behaves there, because it's quite, it's, well, the momentum stop. It's just weird because it came back now for another attempt, and what tend to happen, okay, again, I want to see the 1 minute chart, like, more gradually. I'm not moving anything in today's market. You know what yeah, that's what happened. Like, maybe it's actually high, like this now, or like still this, or if I would be me, I would add, with this. Okay, I would add. I would say that this is not sustainable. After so many drops, there was a pull up. Well, if this candle wants to close here, then maybe. But if that goes also below this one, like this, just a drop, tiny touch in the water. Okay, oh, by the way, even hour. Okay. Yeah, I would like to add on this one. And probably just move my stop loss tiny bit. Well, just here. If that forms an higher high, then I'm out. You know. But if that comes back here-ish, well, there's always a possibility that market makers want to make the market like that. And then we'll take the order stop losses and everything. Like here, pop the stop losses and come back to the up. That was a nice function. That was a nice function. For a lot of points. For a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. Like, wow. This market makes miracles. So I'm thinking that I'm on the right track, baby. But I don't want to see this 1 minute. I want to see this 5 minute. It's pity when you add that market doesn't give you what you want. But right now it's dropping a little bit. Oh, come on, load it up. So now we have this school run, which is a good school run. It can break either side, and I would take both trades. I don't think it's a that well. Well, today might be the day when the school run works. To be fair with you. And again, we tried to go below yesterday's value, and we got rejected instantly. But there's a lot of sellers in this market, and they might come again to this level, and they might test it again, because there's like not really a lot of orders. I mean, market is indecisive. It can go either way. There's more here, but above that, there's also a lot. So this middle chop is just I don't know what's that. Yeah, by the way, if that thing goes through here, I will sell a lot. If that goes above, maybe also a good thing. I don't know. Do I still want to take another loss? I don't know.